Hey everyone, it's Dennis from Automedia. We're here at PRI Coverage 2015. I'm here with Ray Fields from Dougans Racing Engines. And congratulations to you, the Speed-Pro Line's Forged Pistons Engine Builder of the Year. Man, that's got to be a great honor for you to bestow.
Well, thank you very much. It's really an honor to receive this award. Lots of hard work goes into this. All the guys back at the shop certainly deserve this award as much, if not more, than me. Great partners in this industry are what helps us provide race-winning products. And, the Power Forged Pistons, the Speed-Pro, Federal-Mogul, and Fel-Pro gaskets are some of those items that help us win these races.
Let's talk about those engines. I know a few friends of mine that do trophy truck races, and those things, let's just get down to the brass tacks. They take a beating. So really, you got to make some bulletproof stuff.
So frankly, we've been in business 35 years, and we've built a lot of different variations of engines, and there is, in my opinion, no harder engine to build than this. What it takes is perfection. And I don't mean on our side of things. The engines have to be strong, they have to be durable, they have to be able to accept dirt, they have to be able to put up with a pounding. You cannot cut any corners on parts or components. It has to be the best of the best, or they won't make it.
What are some of the things that set your engines apart that can take that kind of abuse?
We like to call it quality control. So when you take a part out of the box, if you assume that it's just ready, then you're not doing your job as an engine builder or a machinist. You have to measure that component, you have to check certain parts of the components, and you can't assume that anything is correct. Although the parts suppliers try to provide, and many times do, a perfect part ready to go, it still needs to be quality control checked by the end user no matter who you are. So in my opinion, it's taking a combination of parts that we've learned over time, takes necessary to do this, and you've got to check each part and make sure that it's ready for the task.
Well, let's talk about something specifically in these engines is the gaskets and how they take the heat and wear to make it so these engines can last through these races.
Yeah, so fortunately Fel-Pro years back came out with a newer technology. It's an MLS style gasket, so it's a multi-layer steel gasket. Our engines are a combination of aluminum and iron. So the blocks are aluminum, the cylinder heads are aluminum, and then you have iron sleeves. So there's a lot of movement that happens on the head gasket surfaces. Besides, the truck has a motor plate in the front, a motor plate in the rear, and it's bending the chassis the entire time. So the job that the Fel-Pro gaskets have is much harder in this environment. We've learned with the MLS gaskets that the bimetal materials handle the stress much better. And frankly, what we put the cylinder pressures that these head gaskets get put through, it's amazing that they even last as long as they do.
What is it like working with Fel-Pro and being able to be part of their family? Because it's something that it's a combination of trust and it's a combination of partnership. What is it like for you to work with them?
Well, frankly, it's been 35 years that we've been working with them, and Fel-Pro's always been the name in which you want to put your weight into. Over the years, they've provided better parts. Like an example, the new intake gaskets in the S-Series intake manifold on the Performance line, it has a steel layer inside that keeps the intake gasket in a better shape than the old traditional fiber gasket, so they continue to try to make their products better along the way.
Well, if people want more information about what you're doing or how to get involved with the trophy trucks or just come and have you build them a great motor, how do we contact you? How do we find you?
Website is dougansracing.com. It's a new website that we've just finished. It's still got a little more work to be done. And Instagram. We're definitely Dougans Racing Engines on Instagram.
Well, have fun with that. And if you ever need a driver, have helmet will travel. More from PRI right here, 2015, Power Automedia.